45-minute fight, they ran out of ammunition. Stop and think about that for a second. It's a lot of shooting in a 45-minute span. I believe they're going to do it again, so I'm going to shut up and let you listen.
They don't have to put the ball in either.
No, that's correct.
Ready. Go!
That's a misfire right there. Very common.
Time.
Quickly, 9 rifles. That's obviously a very small number. You're going to be able to hear the whole sound of the 9 of them firing at once. You've heard the cannon already if you've been here for a while. I want you to just picture 30, 40, 50,000 rifles going at one point, not to mention 300 of those going at the same time. And think about that sound. The next time you're in 4th of July, you're sitting out on your deck, close your eyes and listen to the sound, because that's pretty close to what I can guess, and any of us can guess what it sounded like. Okay? There are 2 types of rifles that they're going to be firing. A Springfield rifle, which was made in Springfield, Massachusetts. Armory still exists today. And an Enfield rifle, which was made in England, okay, imported by the Confederates. The Confederates mostly had them, but as the war progressed, as I told you, they picked up and found other weapons, okay? And again, they're all 58 caliber weapons. They all use the same ammunition, so they're interchangeable. Fire!
Oh!
See, he didn't.
Oh, get out of here!
See?
Oh, all right, guys. The champion. Yeah. Did you not get to my content? That is so funny. I'm so good. Let's hear it for our champion, Alicio. That was for the camera. I'm just so concentrated on Alright, so I gotta fire this thing.
Yeah, I gotta.
You gonna do that? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Fire in the hole! That's right, I do remember that.